First of all, it's a great app. It has many features and allows you to customize like everything that you need to customize on your website. It has a slight learning curve, but here comes reason 2, the super fast customer support. Whenever I have a question, I just type it down and within, I would say seconds, I would get a response. This was really mind-blowing to me and it helped me achieve so much in so little time that I couldn't be more thankful. Reason 3 is they are highly skilled. This team is super supportive, is always helpful, and whenever I needed something or couldn't find something, they helped me along the way. But sometimes there's just no that one button to push that generates it all. But here comes in the EComposer team, writing some code for me and fixing it on the spot. They are like magicians. And reason 4, last but not least, they are super friendly. I never feel hesitated to ask them any question or ask them for help. Their patience go through the roof